In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Stick-War 3 on mobile. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Playing Stick-War 3 on mobile on any platform, either Android or iOS, is extremely simple. You will be able to find the game and play through the single-player campaign, the single-player modes, or even multiplayer, as long as you download the latest version. You will be able to find the game on the Play Store if you are on Android, as you can see on screen, or the App Store if you are doing this process on an iOS device. So look for Stick-War 3, also known as Stick-War Saga. Once you find the game, download it and open it up. You will then see the loading screen, and all that you have to do now is tap play and browse through the game modes that I mentioned. So the focus of the game is going to be the campaign, and I'm gonna try to showcase a little bit of the campaign here. You then have multiplayer and then single player. Multiplayer is intended to be playing against or with other random people, and for single player, as the name suggests, it's going to be you alone. You are going to be able to train and use all of the units available on Stick-War 3. So for this video, I'm going to focus on campaign, but you can browse through any of the available modes. If you go over to campaign, you have 3 main save slots where you can start a new game. There are going to be cutscenes, and you will be able to progress through the story, and all that you have to do is watch them if you wish. For this video, I'm going to skip them because I just want to showcase some gameplay, but you should take your time and carefully watch all of them if you wish. Once you load in, you will be given instructions on how to play, so as you can see, you can control all of your units by tapping on them and casting these skills according to the deck. So you will be able to train your army, make sure that you have enough combatants, and it is extremely fun to just play and follow through the story and the campaign. So to my knowledge, you will be able to do the campaign even offline. So if you don't have internet, you will still be able to play. However, for the online modes, you will need to be able to connect to a Wi-Fi network or mobile data. So this is all you have to do. You are going to get instructions on how to play, and you will be able to go through the entirety of the campaign. It's super fun, and you can find the latest version of Stick-War 3 available on Android or iOS. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Stick-War 3 on mobile. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.